Hey guys, come vlog with me. So right now I'm gonna be washing the dishes. So right now we're in the dishes. Let's put it upside down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I did. I have flu, okay?
Guys, I'm done with the dishes, so I'm gonna give the phone to my sister.
So I need to clean up the table. This. What my sisters have. So first, let me think.
So guys, I'm gonna be making some noodles for me and my baby sister. So yeah, check me over there. Okay guys, I'm done. So I'm just gonna be putting the food in the freezer, in the microwave. See guys.
I have a Christmas balloon and yeah, we're done. Yeah.
So now we're gonna be fixing the couch. Alright.
And we have Pinky. Pinky. We love Pinky. Say hi. Hi. Okay. We have like this naked dolly. Like not really naked, it's like a bitch one. Like but the lipstick part I kind of did it bad. I don't want it to do it like this, but at least.
Thank you guys for watching our channel.
Don't worry about the noodles.
Bye.